What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I have a real job here. So I intend to do it and record the entire job, so you see how I do a real job. So these are the files that have been sent to me by the architecture. He's using AutoCAD. I don't know, I think a lower version of AutoCAD, because when I opened on my AutoCAD, which is AutoCAD 21, some materials were not visible, but it'll get the job done. So he also sent me an AutoCAD version, so he converted it, but because he converted them, so the dimensions were too huge, I couldn't see them clearly, so I had to reduce a lot of things. But this is the work. As you can see, the dimensions, so very bold. So this is only a 3-story building, as you can see here, a ground, first and second, and the building is identical from ground to the top floor. So that's a good news. When you're doing a structural design, that is a very good news. Also, it has lift around here, and all the grid lines in this side are 4.2 meters, and they have an expansion joint around here of 220 millimeters. So that's good, and that's good for an architecture to show this, because otherwise I had to do it myself. The condition they gave me is that they don't want columns to be seen in the building, so we have to hide the columns in the walls. So we have to use a column of 200 millimeter. And the other thing, they don't want on this grid line. So one grid line is okay, but this grid line, and then this grid line, and then this grid line, and then this grid line, I cannot put any columns here, because a beam cannot pass through here because of this duct. They use this to send down plumbings, pipes, and all the things from the toilet. So that means there's no possibility for me to pass a beam around here. I don't know why, because if I can pass a beam around here, then this part is still enough for plumbing things to go down. I mean, the beam will be there, but it won't affect anything. But that's what they want. They say I shouldn't put in columns here, so that will make my beams to be 8.4 meters. Most of my beams will have a span of 4.8, which is not small. So what I need to do is I will just create another AutoCAD here. I'll go to AutoCAD, and first I will just create my frame, and I will try to match my frame to what they want me to do. So this part 1 will be I will only model on this part. Okay, so what I will do first is I will create a layer of grids. Okay, grids. Okay, I'll say grid lines. Grid lines, and then okay, I'll have to load them first. I want to use dotted line for I want to use dotted lines, so I think I will go with this one. Yes. Okay, so I have my grid lines. I will start to draw my grid lines. So let me start. That is let me check the it's 21.5 meters, so I can go with the let's say, wait a second first, I just because I don't want points, it's millimeters, so you know, no point of using points. Okay, so it's 21, so I'll go for 23, I'll say. So I'll say 23, 1 2 3. Okay, and then I will I'll need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. I'll need 14, but say it again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I will have to copy this. Okay, copy, and then I'll just offset so it will be easier for me. Offset, modify. Okay, this one is offset, yes, and I will go for 4200, and then select this, and then so I'll need 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let me check. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh no, I don't need 7, I need 6. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this one, and then I have to copy this, offset this by 220. Okay, and then I'll have to offset then by 420. So 4200, enter, and then how many do I need? I need I had already this one, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so I have my vertical grids. Now I need to go for my horizontal ones. So my horizontal one, I'll step down. I will have a 4. Okay, let me just to draw the first one. I will start around here, somewhere here. Okay, so the first one is 4. So just copy it because okay, remove this and then take my copy and then 400. Okay, so very close, and then there's no point of offsetting because they all have different distances. So here is 1350. Oh, sorry, 1350. So I'll just copy this and then 1350, enter. Okay, and then I have 4800. So copy selection, and 4800, and then I have 100, 1000, and then 220. Okay, so first 1000, copy selection, 1000, and then copy selection, and then 220. Okay, 2200, and then there was 2000. I saw that, I didn't say it. 200. Yes. Okay, so as you can see here, 1000, and then 220, and then 20, and then we have 320 and 480. So 320 and 480. So copy selection, and 3200, and then again copy selection, 4800. Okay, our lines will really be short. Okay, so the last one is 1750. 1750, copy selection, 1750, enter. Okay, so right now we have our grid lines. If I want, I can name these grid lines, but to be honest, I don't think I should. I want to increase the size, at least on the top here, so I will increase them by, I want to go like 3000. Okay, 3000. So these things sometimes take time on the preparation, but it is what it is, and you have no choice but to have to do this. Okay, because I want to put dimensions here, so that's why I have to increase them just to see. Okay, if I want, I can also do this for me to be able to do this easily. I can just draw a line here, and then I will go to extend, and then I will just extend these lines, so I don't have to do a very difficult job. I can do this. Okay, sorry, yes, perfect. Now what I want to do is to delete this. Okay, so I have my grid lines. Now if I want, I can name them, which will take time, but I think I should. I won't use this. I won't use this. I mean, I will use this for my own things, but I won't use this on working. I'll just use it for information. That's why I don't think if I for accurate purposes, I'll just do it, so I can Okay, so right now I have my grid lines as I want them. Another thing that I am afraid is this is a big drawing, and normally we print them our works on on A3, so I don't think if this will be visible, or the details, for example, reinforcement details on slab reinforcement details, I'm not sure if it will be seen on A3. But the good thing, since it has a expansion joint here, I will just split the structure, and I will have to detail this part separately and this part separately, because these are like two different buildings now. So they will only share the foundations and the columns around here, but we'll have to see. So right now I will have to check, for example, in this I intend to put a column, you know, if I put a beam here of 200, say, go like this, there will also be an opening here where you can put your things. But I have, because the architecture said he doesn't want any beam around here, so I don't want to cause any reason for meetings right now, because otherwise he said, okay, let's meet and then discuss it, and I don't want that. Okay, so I can put a column here, and then I can put one here, but it will be too close. If I put one here and then one here, I think this will be 4 and 5. Let me check this distance just to confirm. I know it's not big, but it doesn't hurt for me to know. Okay, it will be 6 meters, 6.5 meters. It's not bad. And then if I take another one from here to here, this will be too big, because this is on 3.2, 5.2, 8.2. If I do this, then my columns will have to be really big, and I don't want really big columns. But I can do this. I can do this if I want to, but the only problem is I have a big column. Otherwise I can put a column here and then here, and then I can put another one here. I can put another one here and then here. So if I put here, the column will have to be here, and it will be fine. I think it will be fine. And then here it will go like this. So, and then this is 4.8 plus 4800 plus 1750 is 655, so it's okay. So the only thing, the only big part is this part, which I need to split. Or I can, if I can put a column here, and then I'll go directly to here. Yeah, this is the best part. So I'll have one column here, another one here, another one here, and then there. Alright, and this column should be vertical. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will just create my column, which is let me draw it manually. Okay, I'll go for dimensions and then enter, and then I'll need it. I'll start with a column of 400 by 200. So the length of the column for this part should be 200, and then the width should be 400. Okay, enter. Yes, this is what I wanted, and enter. Okay, I'll also need another. Okay, also I can I'll change the column, and then I'll go to this one, and then dimensions, and then now I'll go to 400 first, and then 200, Yes. Okay, I have my 2 columns right now. Okay. Okay, right now I have to check where I want to put the columns, which is here and here and here and there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the first grid line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first grid line will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is not wanted. So I have already put all my columns. As you can see, these not touching each other. Okay, so right now I have to delete. I'll delete this. I'll delete this first, and then I will save this. Okay, and cancel. 1 second. I will just create a copy of this. Copy and paste, because I'll say edit to Etabs. Edit to Etabs. Okay, so now I'll open this, and then in Etabs I don't need these ones. I don't need them in Etabs. Also I won't need this. I won't need this, and I will also delete this. I'll need this. I won't need this, and I won't need this. Okay, so what I want is I'll just draw here so that I can extend these just to have them have the same length. I just want them to have the same length. That's why I'm extending this. Okay, extend, because right now I want to go to Etabs and also this one, so I will just draw a line here to here. Okay, and then I will extend these ones. Why can't I extend these lines? Yes, perfect. So okay, I've deleted the columns that I don't want. Okay, right now I can just go ahead and save this as txt file, and then we'll save it as this, and then layout to Etabs. Yes, I will just use the same name and save. Okay, and then no, Okay, so this is my file. I don't know why that issues like this, but it is it. So what I need to do is I'll go to Etabs now. Okay, new, and just use it. Okay, go blank. Okay, so change it to, I want it to change to meters here. Okay, so what I need is I'll go to edit first, grid system, modify this, and then I'll put this as roof. Yes, here I'll put 3.5 because the height is 3.5, 3.5. This is also 3.5. And how do I get this? Here in this drawing, they have the section here, and there's 3.5. So that's why. And I want one to be master, and then I don't want this to be in master. It's not a master. And then this one should be similar to one, and this should be similar to one. Okay, so I think everything is fine. Okay, and then okay, and then I will go to file, and then I will import architectural plan. Okay, and then I'll go to my file here, and then this one, and then import, and then change this to millimeters, and I want it to be on story 1. Okay, center line, everything you can keep as it is. Okay, and as you can see, I have my layout right here. Okay, so right here I'm in the top floor of the roof. I'll just go to here, story 1. So as you can see, I will go to options, and then architectural, and then column. I want column. I want grid lines. Delete the rest. Yes, grid line and column. That's all I need. Okay, so just go to this one. Go to this one, and then architecture. And then you see columns. I'll just go to add area column, and then like that I already have my columns here. Okay, now I also want the grid lines, so I'll just add grid lines and ready. Okay, so right now I don't need this anymore. I can just go to options, and then architectural options, and then deselect all, and then okay. So right now what I have is only my my column. These are the these are Etabs, not AutoCAD zone, because before I had AutoCAD zone. Now I have Etabs zone. Okay, so I can close this, and then I can work with this. So right now I can okay, never mind. I can duplicate this to, let me do it right now. Select the columns, and then replicate 2 and 3. Okay, and then I will go with this one, and then if I go to 3D, I will have yes, all the columns are perfect. Okay, let's go to plan, and then okay, so in my drawings here, it shows that this portion is going up, and actually it's this one, so this part is going up, so from here, so that means I will have that from one column, second, third, or three columns here will go up on the roof. So that means I can select this column and edit and replicate this one to roof. Okay, and then say okay, and then if I go to 3D, you'll see that the only columns that go until the roof are these ones. Okay, so I'll go again to plan, to first to this one. Okay, so right now I think I am in a very good position because I have everything I need. So let's go to define material. Okay, so now we need to define our frames. Okay, so right now I think we're in a good spot. I'll just save this first because I'll just save this, save, and then to our man, and then I'll say this model 1, save. Okay, then I want to close this. It takes time to close, I don't know why. Okay, I just copy and then paste and then send to, because I need that one to, in case I need to change anything, in case the architecture says that there's a change in anything, so I can go to that and start from there. Okay, so right now what I need to do is I need to draw my columns, my beams, I'm sorry. So I will just check this one and then do this to beam. Yes, I'll do this immediately. So I think everything is fine. I can name my grids. Go to grid line and then modify, and then I can put this on start. Okay, so we have this. As you can see, we have our grid lines. Okay, so right now we can put our slabs. I will keep similar stories. Right now, I don't want to forget. Yes. Okay. Go to the roof, and then I will do the same. Okay, so right now we have completed modeling, I would say. Yes, our model is complete. We can go for other things. The next part I will put the wall, and I will explain about why I want to put stairs in the model. Yes, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next part.